Hi, my name's Richard here at Acorn Motor Group. I'm just doing the visual inspection on your vehicle. So we use a traffic light system for reporting items. Red is for things that need urgent attention, amber for advisory items, and green for items that are okay. So I'll show you around and we'll start with the passenger front tyre. So regards to tyres, anything 5 and below is an amber item. 3 and below is red, as tyres are recommended to be replaced at 3, and the legal limit is 1.6. So this tyre has 4.7 on the inside, 4.8 on the outside, and the centre is 4 and 4.3, so that is a amber item. Steering and suspension components are all green items, and again on the driver's front all green for steering and suspension. Driver's front tyre is 5.3 on the outside, 4.8 on the inside, and 4.6 and 4.4 in the centre, so that is an amber item. Also with the tyres, there are cracks forming in the tread, so the rubber's perishing again. That is an advisory item, so that is an amber item. Same on that tyre again. Just in the tread of the tyre, so that has been advised on the MOT. The front brakes. So when the brake pads are new, they start with around 12 millimeters of friction material. They currently have around 8 remaining, and the discs are in good condition, so front brakes are a green item. The exhaust system is a green item. And then for the rear suspension components, an amber item. The bush there in the trailing arm, that is a little worn, but no excessive movement in that at this stage. And the same on this side. So the 2 rear trailing arm bushes are amber items. Rest of the rear suspension components are okay. Driver's rear tyre, 4.9 on the outside, 5.1 on the inside. Centre is 4.4 and 5.2. So again, that's an amber item. And once again, the rubber is perishing. There are some cracks forming in the tyre again. And then onto the passenger rear tyre. So that's 4.5 on the outside, 5.2 on the inside. Centre is 4 and 3.9. And again, rubber's perishing and there are some cracks forming in the tyre. So again, that one is an amber item. And then just onto the rear brakes. So brake pads, when they're new, on the back start with around 10 millimeters of friction material. 6 remaining at the moment. So around 40% worn, and discs are okay. So rear brakes are a green item. Okay, someone will be in touch shortly. Thank you for using Acorn Motor Group, and if you could just leave a rating on this video, that would be great.